It's 2019 guys, and I just about got 500 subscribers. It's about time, it took ages. So, thank you to everybody who subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because I'll give you presents. Now enough of my talking, let's get making. We're using MDF, it's a medium density fiberboard. You can get it in any DIY store, in scrap buckets for like £1. Find a picture online of a YouTube thumbnail and glue it onto a piece of MDF. To make a triangle recess, I'm using my Dremel router, but you can just use a chisel. Now cut it to shape, and also I sanded the corners. Now to get the 3D shape of a thumbnail, I'm using a rasp, but you can just use your electric sanders or sandpaper if you haven't got a rasp. Always wear your PPE when using MDF, as MDF is carcinogenic. Because MDF is very porous, we have to seal the grain, so I'm using a shellac sanding sealer, which would be a perfect base for the primer. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to me. And sand in between coats. Once the primer is dry, use a gloss red spray paint. Now masking off a red to make a white triangle. Once it's dry, you're ready to peel off the masking tape. A big day for bespoke grizzly. I hope you liked this video, and I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that subscribed to me. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to me, because it really helps. So until next time, goodbye.